So if I'm a home inspector, what's my decision that I have to make? What do I have to do?
You have to make a decision, and you have to make lots of them. The person who makes the most decisions will be the most successful. You have to think of every decision as an opportunity to pivot. And the more decisions you make, and you don't have to be perfect. You can make mistakes. You can make bad decisions. But the more decisions you make in your business, the less risk there is. So the person who makes the most decisions, whether they're perfect or not, right or wrong, will be the one who is most successful. So keep making decisions. Wake up the next day, and wake up tomorrow morning and ask yourself, what does my company need to do today to be more successful? That's a decision. And just keep making them. The person who makes the most decisions will be the most successful.